Hello. Don't know if you can hear that, but that's the rain. That is the rain, look. Isn't that fun? Today, it is Sunday. Welcome. If you're new here, this is my weekly vlog. And this is the first day. It's my mum's birthday tomorrow, so time to get the bacon hat back on. And we're going for 2 New York cheesecakes. I did one successfully. Let's see if I can do 2 at the same time. Yeah, that is literally the plan today.
Some more, not like the stories before. You got something different, yeah. Why they wanna hold me down once again? All these demons stuck in my head. You can leave it, I know I can't. That's a problem, baby, I'm trapped. Ooh, I used to spend my time endlessly looking at the stars. No, I always mean it when I say I want your heart. For love and
I really don't know what's wrong with me today. I can't bother to do anything. I think it's the weather. Alright, are you guys like this too? When it comes to the weather, like, it's dark and miserable like this, I just don't want to do anything. Like, even, maybe I might go for a run later. I might risk the rain.
you want about me, babe. They don't speak the truth. Wanna learn about me, babe.
Went for a cheeky little walk. That was really nice. I'm out of breath. I just went up the stairs, like.
Losing your loved ones alive. When they told some more, not like the stories before. You got something different, yeah. Why they wanna hold me down once again? All these demons stuck in my head. You can leave it, I know I can't.
I've just finished Children of Blood and Bone. Like literally just finished it right now. And I just decided I needed the sequel. I just needed it in my life. And my mum has Amazon Prime. So ordered it and it's on its way for tomorrow. Alongside 4 other books. I couldn't help myself. I was like, I just need more of this. I need more of things like this in my life because this was incredible. Hello, good morning. Just showered, got ready, come back from a run and a mini workout. So I'm feeling really quite good today. It's my mama's birthday. Don't know what we're gonna do, but cheesecakes, coulis, everything is done. Okay, work's done. Now it's time to sort Mummy's cheesecake out. So, moment of truth. See what these cheesecakes look like.
That's a problem, baby, I'm trapped. Ooh, I used to spend my time endlessly looking at the stars. No, I always mean it when I say I want your heart. For love and affection.
I thought you said you got them.
I got it.
Oh. Papa, let me have a look.
They're probably over there. Where there, Jack? I'm fine there.
The drama and the cadet.
Yeah. I got a fake ID and a checklist. It goes never meet.
So, got a takeaway from the Bridge Inn in Burton. Yeah, I'll have a spritzer divina. So, this is our selection. Hello, good afternoon. It is Tuesday, and as you can tell, we're dressed for a workout. But a lunchtime workout today, and I've been really sad because I've been running more, so you know, I feel good, and that's like woohoo, and it's getting me going. My stamina's really high, but my butt is just gone. Like, but she's just gone. Where's she gone? That's made me really sad, because like I worked hard on that butt. I'm just like, come on now. So I'm just feeling a bit ugh about it, to be honest. The reason why she's gone is because running is obviously a very, you know, fat burning type exercise, and I don't think I eat enough calories as maybe I probably should. I think I'm eating in a slight deficit, so I've just ordered some protein shake from MyProtein. I always order from them because they always have like a discount on or something. They're always really cheap. So that's my plan. From now on, I'm going to try and eat more, because obviously I'm burning a lot more calories than I was actually aware of. And I'm going to incorporate some more leg routines into my days. So you might see a lot more leg workouts than upper body, because she's really sad. She's going, and I worked really hard for the past 2 years to get that up. And I really can't wait for the gyms to come back. And I know I'm going to be so weak and it's just going to be gross, but that's where I am. So cute little lunchtime workout montage.
Girl on Craigslist, and never spend your money on a necklace. 3 square meals, homie, gotta have breakfast. Real shit, she be paying for the date. I be on my Will Smith enemy estate. Keep my friends close, keep my enemies away. And if they all repellent, oh, they so jealous. I'ma do shit to just piss them off. Say you never heard me, it's your loss. They biting on my freestyles. They tell me make my money frying on that weed style. I tell them I'm too old for
Cheeky little face mask. Just thought I'd put a face mask on after my post-workout shower, and now I'm just going to sit here for about 20 minutes and do the rest of my work. The mask I have on is the facelift mask by Tropic. It's the yellow one, and it's meant to make your face glow and just give it a lift. And I thought I needed that. When we got some new makeup. Oh, the brushes look nice. From Tropic. Some of this stuff. This is a buildable, I don't want to ruin it. There you go. It's like a magnetic situation, which is pretty cool.
Never find me, I hope they don't find him though, cause they be knocking on my door, now they looking through my window. Tell me what you really want from me. Point blank, no discussion. Close mouth, ow. I'll give it to you, no interruption.
This is the vibe. I've already taken my eyelashes and all that off because I've taken my pictures. I'll take my glasses off. This is the vibe. I'm not entirely happy with it, just because it didn't really go out exactly how I had planned. I have some book mail. So, morning everybody. Is it morning? Yeah, it's 11 o'clock. Good morning. It is Thursday. It's actually miserable outside. Don't know if you can see, but that's what my window currently looks like. Look at all the raindrops. So I thought I would share my book mail with you. I currently got this morning on the laptop while I do my work, but these things just came. As you know, I got Children of Virtue and Vengeance, literally arrived the day after I finished Children of Blood and Bone, and this is part of like my Amazon haul that I did. Nothing better than getting new books. Oh, we've got Daughters of Neri, I think, so that's this one. It's a hardback. Oh. Oh no! I have to get sellotape on that. So this one is Kingdom of Souls, The Last Witch Doctor, which looks really good. Oh, I'm so sad about that. Why does Amazon always treat their books like rubbish? So cool. And then I got River of Royal Blood. This looks really good, but I'm not a fan of like this cover. I thought it was going to look nicer. I thought it was going to kind of be like that paperback, but it's like glossy. Just looks a bit fan fiction-esque. Not really a fan, but my cheeky little book haul. Oh, and can't forget this one.
And tell me one time that you want me. I promise that I won't say nothing. Shit, shut it up. Shit, shut it up. I'll give it to you, no interruption.
As you can tell, I've just come back from a run. I went with the black and grey vibe today. It was difficult and my legs still ache from the leg workout from the other day. But I wanted to share, I got a new protein shake. Obviously I told you. Came today, so I got the protein shake and I got my pancakes and my peanut butter and that. The sweetener like syrup, chocolate one, I'm not quite convinced on yet. It tasted a bit but this is the coffee and caramel flavour, and oh my god, when I tell you it tastes like a caramel latte. It tastes like a caramel latte. It is delicious and I can just imagine it like with some ice. So this, all this, you know, mess, whatever, is the aftermath of this. I am so pleased with myself. I successfully, come on, focus on me, babe, kind of blocked out my brow. It's the first time I've ever done anything like my eyebrow. I want to do this again because it was just really fun. I did a combination of kind of a few of Kaylee's tutorials off the masterclass. Yeah, so I finished work, you know, standard time. We're gonna have a chippy dinner today, but it's gonna be good old-fashioned frozen chippy dinner, and that is my evening. And we're gonna watch a film, and that's pretty much it. I just want to come in here and show you what I've been doing, that's all. Had a shower, I've just got changed after my workout, and now I'm just about to straighten my hair. It was a full body workout today, I thought I would do, and I'm just really having a chill Saturday today. I need to go and do some errands and bits and bobs, see my grandparents as well, and that's really it. You probably won't see that much of me today. It's one of those where I've just got loads of stuff I need to get done, and that's it. So I'm just gonna sit and straighten my hair, drink my protein shake. The coffee caramel flavour is definitely a winner for me. I have to drink mine with water, otherwise they get a bit sickly, which I've noticed. So water with that one, and I might even throw a bit of ice in, but that's the situation there. I haven't had the pancakes yet, but I might have those later. Did I really delete them though? Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh gosh, my jeans. Oh my god, again. When you don't know if it's UK or Britain, you know when they put it on the list.